Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. From today we are going to start a new series on data science. Data is the new oil. You might have heard this statement for quite few times. Let's dig into the session with the question, what is data science? Data science is a multidisciplinary field that uses the scientific methods, processes, algorithms and systems to extract the knowledge and insights from the structured and unstructured data. Let's discuss the difference between the structured and unstructured data. Structured data is in the form of a text or a table so that the computers can easily understand, whereas the unstructured data is in the form of images or video files so that it is impossible for the computers to understand. It is a concept to unify statistics, data analysis, machine learning and related methods in order to understand and analyze the actual phenomenon of the data. In short, we can say that the data science is all about asking the correct questions and analyzing the raw data, modeling the data using various complex and efficient algorithms, visualizing the data to get a better perspective, understand the data to make a better decisions and finding the final result. To better understand data science, AI means getting a computer to mimic human behavior in some way, whereas the data science is a subset of AI and it refers more to the overlapping areas of statistics, scientific methods and data analysis, all of which are used to extract meaning and insights from the data. Whereas machine learning is another subset of AI and it consists of the techniques that are used to enable computers to figure out things from the data and deliver AI applications. Whereas deep learning, which is the subset of machine learning, that enables computers to solve more complex problems using neural networks. Here are some of the tools for data science. Building, evaluating, deploying and monitoring machine learning models can be a complex process. That's why there been an increase in the number of data science tools. Data scientists may use many types of tools, but one of the most common is open source notebooks, which are web applications for writing and running code, visualizing the data and seeing the results, all in the same environment. Some of the most popular notebooks are Jupyter Notebook, RStudio and Javelin. Notebooks are very useful for conducting analysis, but have the limitations when the data scientists need to work as a team. The data scientists or analysts use two types of programming language the most, the R programming language and the Python programming language. Here we are using Python programming language for this series. So let's get into the installations. We are installing the latest Python version, Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook. Click on the link below in the description to download the latest version of Python. You can simply open the link and go to the downloads and you can see the download for Windows option. You can click on the button so that the version will be downloaded. You can do the same for the Mac OS using the click on the Mac OS and download the latest version of Python. You can download the Anaconda using the link below in the description. You can simply click on the download individual Anaconda edition for Windows, as well as you can download the Anaconda version for Mac OS. As I have already installed, so I am not downloading now. After downloading the Anaconda application, you can simply navigate to the Anaconda Navigator and you can easily download the Jupyter Notebook using the Anaconda Navigator, or else you can easily install Jupyter without using Anaconda Navigator by opening the command prompt and entering the following commands: pip install Jupyter, keep your internet active, and after the installation click the other command, Jupyter Notebook. After entering the Jupyter Notebook command, you will get a screen like this in the new tab. You can easily create a new Python file or a text file or a folder. You can easily open the terminal also here. Now I am creating a new Python file and running a simple Python program. Print. Hello. To run this command, simply click Ctrl Enter. Yeah. With this, the installations that are required for this series have been completed. Let's start learning from the next video. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Click on the bell icon for upcoming notifications and follow the series.